What if I told you that more than 2,000 years ago, a young boy in Egypt figured out the size of the entire Earth? Without satellites, without rockets, without modern science. Just a stick, a shadow, and a curious mind. This is the story of Eratosthenes, the boy who measured the Earth. Our story begins in ancient Egypt, in the city of Siren. A boy named Eratosthenes grew up with an unusual love for books. He was so hungry for knowledge that people nicknamed him Beta because he always came second to none in curiosity. His dream: to learn everything about the world. This passion would one day take him to the greatest library in history, the Library of Alexandria. One afternoon, while studying scrolls, Eratosthenes read something unusual. In the town of Sine, far south of Alexandria, people said that at noon on the summer solstice, the sun shone directly overhead, so straight that it lit up the bottom of a deep well. But in Alexandria, at the exact same time, shadows still appeared. Eratosthenes asked himself, if the Earth were flat, wouldn't the sun hit both cities the same way? Eratosthenes decided to test this mystery. He placed a stick upright in Alexandria. At noon, on the solstice, he measured the shadow it cast. The shadow made an angle about 7.2 degrees. This tiny difference became the key to unlocking the size of the world. He realized, the Earth must be curved. Eratosthenes knew the distance between Alexandria and Sine was about 5,000 stadia. Using simple geometry, he compared the angle of the shadow to a circle. If 7.2 degrees was the angle between two cities, then 360 degrees, the full circle of the Earth, would be about 50 times that distance. He multiplied and discovered the Earth's circumference was about 40,000 kilometers. Amazingly, his answer was almost perfectly correct. He had measured the Earth with nothing but shadows and math. Eratosthenes' discovery spread across the ancient world. Some doubted him. Others were astonished. But his bold idea would inspire scientists for centuries. More than 2,000 years later, satellites confirmed how accurate he really was. Eratosthenes' story is not just about science. It's about curiosity. It's about asking questions others ignore. It's about believing that knowledge can change the world. He proved that you don't need advanced tools. You just need the courage to wonder. The boy who measured the Earth taught us that wisdom begins with a question, that curiosity is more powerful than doubt, and that even the smallest spark of wonder can light up the entire world. If Eratosthenes could measure the Earth with a stick and a shadow, imagine what you can achieve today.